we got toilet number 1, just doing a handle on this one. Toilet number 2, full rebuild, well, leaving handle, fill valve, flush valve, flapper, supply line underneath. Toilet number 3, same thing. Full rebuild. Let's see the condition this flapper is in. Flush valve, fill valve, supply line, leaving. I'll start with the easiest one, which is a 3810. Kohler 3810. See if we can get this chain off of here. This handle is sticking. Sort of replacement part. Where are you? Of course, they misprinted it. All right. As with any toilet handle, for the most part, 90% of them, the threads are reversed on the retaining clip. Let's see, can we get you out without the... Perfect. Nice. They give you like this little angled shim. Which I guess is going to go on the opposite side. Never seen that before. It's interesting. So lefty tighty, righty loosey. Let's see if we can do it with our fingers. Yeah. Nice. It's like a night and day difference in here. I would love to get it perfect, but I only have so much spray left. I want to get the other toilet as well, but that stuff works wonders. And obviously once we get the new components in, we'll get all this rinsed out of here. This is the 1013944 flush valve service kit for the model K3366 Kohler. This is the the other one was the San Rafael. I like this one a lot because it's just got this metal clip that helps keep it in place. You have your flapper with your bar that goes right into the slot on the back of the flush valve here. Very easy. So all we do is get that on like that. comes a little love. You get the bottom pushed in first, and then you tilt. Yeah. Okay. Solid. Make sure the tabs are pushed in, and there we go. Get our flapper out. So you can see these tabs here. This one goes into the opening on the flapper. So all you do is you rotate it so that it slides through into the slot. Pivot, clip, and then we'll shorten up the chain afterwards. I don't like leaving excess chain because it's something to get caught up. And you can see that's fill valve 106.8. Can't even talk. 106.8031. What's nice about this one is that it comes with a supply line. Thanks, Kohler. Make everything else difficult. The least you could do is save us on that. So same thing as always. We mount our retaining nut underneath. So we're hand tight, and then I usually do a quarter of a turn with a pair of pliers. Let's see. Or a half turn. Not gonna lie. So now that's solid, sturdy. Just water on the floor. And what I like to do is I don't like to be a hack. I always cut the stickers off because it just makes it look more professional. So we'll get the supply line on. The only thing we might have to reuse is the fill tube hose. I don't know why. I've done a bunch of these. They don't come with the hose. Makes no sense. I mean, look, at the end of the day, I prefer to not reuse anything. I prefer everything to be brand new. If there's one thing I'm going to reuse, this hose, I'm not going to lose sleep over it. So what we'll do is we will make sure that the water level height is good for our flush valve. We'll flush it a couple times to get the rest of this debris out of the water here. We'll be able to do the next one, which is the same exact thing as this one. Say cheese. Okay. You just go in there. There we go. Perfect. All right, that's one. Come on. Ooh, wow. It's pretty intense. Alright, we'll get the water out of this one, and we'll get this one cleaned up. Since you guys saw the last one already, no need to show you it again. So I'll show you the finished results in a second. I want to show you something that I've never seen before. I was dumping water out and I saw this was moving. And I was like, wait, this is a pull-out bathroom faucet. That is cool. Never seen that. It's American standard. It's pretty epic. Well, if you ask me, it's even better than the first one. It had just enough rust remover to get almost all the rust off. It's crazy, I never knew about this stuff. So I always just chalked up toilet tanks being like that. You know, I would use like a spray, like a Clorox or a bleach to clean out tanks, but they wouldn't get like this. You know, it would just lighten the brown. This stuff literally, the rust just falls off. So we're gonna do the same thing. We'll get the flush valve in, fill valve, supply line, reuse the fill tube, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so we got this one pretty much all set. The only thing that's slightly annoying is that this handle is sticking a little bit. So I tried to take it apart if you saw in the time lapse, but that screw doesn't want to come out. I don't want to break it either. So what we will do is I lubricated it. See how it sticks up. So hopefully with use it'll go back to the way it should be. Worst case scenario, we replace it. This might be a tough one to get. This is a 3466 from 2011. So yeah, we'll see if we can get it working again, and client will keep me posted on that one. But another one done. That wraps them up.